in this video, we're going to talk about the ease of momentum indicator. Now, this moving oscillator was created by a name named Richard W. Arms. And what he was doing is that he was trying to combine the price volatility and the volume into one indicator to easily look at and gauge the underlying momentum. So what he's doing is he's trying to identify trends and momentum in the underlying or the asset by using the price, the volatility, and the volume. So what the calculation actually is that he takes yesterday's average price and then divides it by or subtracts it from today's current price and then divides it by the total volume. So what this indicator does, basically, let's kind of just make it simple. What we're looking at here down here is you're looking for when the price starts to, not the price, but when this indicator starts to stop having those big peaks and valleys, okay? So right here in Apple, basically mid-November, you're looking at this. And what this is telling you is that, okay, we're kind of coming back down to zero here. So this is our mean. We're still positive, but this is, if we're still zero. So we can easily, right now, this stock can easily pull back to zero. It can easily go up, but it can easily pull back. So the volatility in here is relatively low, but we could get some juice in here and we can easily move either way. Now, when this trend started to pull back, you can see the ease of movement went with it just a little bit here down to zero. And then once we started really gaining traction here in the past month or so, you can see that the ease of movement went with us. So this ease of movement spiked up. We're currently trading up here right around this 328 mark. And that's just kind of telling you we can easily keep going up. And this is a very strong trend that we're in. If you saw the price in Apple move up when your ease of movement is only like this, that means that perhaps the volume isn't there, the volatility isn't there. You're kind of moving up on low volume. You cannot confirm that trend. But since we do have the ease of movement here, a nice little spike in the past month, and then really a nice spike here this past week, this will kind of tell us that there is a little bit of strength here in this move, and actually quite a bit of strength in this move. So although we could easily have some more volatility in here, the overall strength under this move as we're working our way up to this upper trend line, heading up to these 170s, 165s, there actually is some overall momentum here with this positive move, and same with the negative. So once you go below zero, kind of the same thing. And you can see here when we made this dip here back in October, so basically September to October, you kind of see that the ease of movement here indicator just kind of made a little cup as well as the overall stock. And really there was not a whole lot of peaks, not a whole lot of valleys, just a little pullback in here, and just kind of told you that we're kind of pulling back here on relatively low volume. This isn't really a strong down move. There's not a whole lot of volatility carrying with this, even though we are pulling back. It's just not really a strong move as you would like to see. But if you look in the previous move, you can see a nice little spike here. And then obviously in this current move in the past 2 months or so, bam, nice big spike here. And then boom, we're up here and they're 3 and 4s up here. So overall, nice big trend, nice momentum coming in behind that. So that's kind of how the ease of momentum works. There's more to that. A lot of people slap on some moving averages on here. So a 20-day simple moving average would be nice in here. And then a lot of people use those as strike points. So, okay, the ease of movement crossed that 20-day moving average here. I'm just going to go ahead and get long because that means that our trend is heading in the right direction as far as momentum underneath that underlying. So I'm going to go ahead and buy that. They're not looking at the price as far as the chart. I mean, they're using it as supplementary, right? All indicators should be used together. But really, they are focusing on this to kind of confirm the strength and that momentum of that underlying trend. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.